Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new expense to your CashControl account, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen and click on the first option, expense. You should type in the amount of your expense. You can select your currency. Here you can find a bunch of options, but if it's easier for you, you can also type it in into the search bar. After selecting it, add the current date. Add your selected account, which is now a wallet. That's the default option. You should indicate the category such as shopping, car, house, leisure, and other options are also available. You can add notes and text to it, and attachments as well, such as a file can be enclosed or attached. Here you can find your files and tap on the relevant one that you would like to insert. After selecting all these options, click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen to add your new expense. So here you are going to find it in the dashboard icon, and in the list section as well it will be indicated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.